Hey guys, and welcome to Miss Shan Shorty Recipes. Want to learn how to make this delicious peppermint bark? I've got the recipe just for you. Merry COOKMAS Day 12. Thank you guys for hanging out with me for another COOKMAS video. These are the ingredients that we're using today for this peppermint bark. All these flavors, they're pretty simple, but they're going to come together to make a tasty little winter treat. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you still haven't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay friends, so here's the recipe for a quick and easy peppermint bark. It's got the 2 layers of chocolate with that milk chocolate and then the white chocolate along with the peppermint sprinkles on top. Adds for a nice festive touch. And if you love chocolate and peppermint together, you will certainly love this treat. Hopefully you did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you do love chocolate and peppermint together. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.